Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on my channel. My name is Juliet and I normally share with you my resin art creations and other life tidbits. Today I'm excited because I've not done this before. I know lots of you have pets and lots of you love pets, and this is for you because I'm making a pet Christmas ornament. Christmas ornament using resin for pets, without Cricut, without stickers. What options do you have? All right, so I will show you first that I have these templates, many templates of stencils, and that's what I'm going to use today. And if you don't have this kind, sometimes, you know, kids, if you have kids, you've had some of this in your collection, you know, like the way I have them, you can use that. Or you can do cutouts, and from the cutout, maybe from a magazine or from a printout, you can make your own stencils. And this is especially if you want to make a creative ornament and you don't have a Cricut or brother to make your own stickers or ready-made stickers. And so because of okay, I'll show you. You're wondering why these ones are small like this. It's because I'm going to use this holographic mold, and I showed you how to make this on holographic tags. I use them as keychains or bag tags, and check the card above. I showed you how they come out. They're very, very pretty. Every time I go to the fair markets, to the fair, these, especially these two, are the first ones to go. So in fact, this is what I've been making more. You can see they're more worn out because people want some pets and some, you know, not the generic hearts and circles. All right, so that's why this stencil of mine, I wish I didn't have to cut. I wish it was Malia, you know, silicone, so that I can put like this corner, I can do that. But these ones are very tiny, and I want them to be in here tiny. So I'm going to use this to stencil using this. I'm going to use this paint palette. I have just this corner brush. I normally like it because it goes into the corners. We have MEYSPRING Dazzling Diamond, this one, and then we also have a MEYSPRING White Pearl. And for the painting or the stencil, we are going to use this FolkArt gold, 14 karat gold. And I have this other one is a chocolate brown, okay. And we have some gold glitter. And in case I add anything else that's not on this, because you know, as you create, you go and you see something else, I will let you know. And everything I've used for this project is in the description below. And let me know as we go along if it's something you would like. Would you like a pet ornament? Do you have pets? Would you buy for a loved one an ornament for their pet? All right, so of course we're going to use resin, but to begin with, let me show you. There's this, let me put it here so that you can see the contrast. There is this bone that we're using for dog, and there's this fish that we're going to use for the cat. But are you seeing this dog and this cat? I want to cut them out, and I've kept the serial number so that I know where they are the next time. I wish I didn't have to cut, but they have been bought to be used. So I'm going to cut it off like this. And then I'm going to cut the cut and try not to cut in because it's a stencil. So I have my two. So I'm making a cat and a dog ornament. Let me show you how we're going to paint. And if you're finding any of this valuable, or by the end of this, if you think you've learned something or you'd like to see more of this, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also follow me on TikTok. on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires, because that's where I show more variations of this, like for example in colors, especially when Christmas comes and people are ordering. I want to do another full-blown video about pet Christmas ornament. There's no major plan for this, but let's try to, because it's going to be sort of upside down, let me try do the opposite. Let me have one of these, and at the end, if you stay on, I think I might try show you if you wanted to add a name, personalize a dog name or a cat's name, what would it be? So let's put that there. So let's say there. Okay. Okay, this is the dog. Okay, that's our dog. Okay, and that's the bone. Okay, so let's just put a little of the chocolate brown, and I'm using the chocolate brown for the contrast. I wanted a big contrast in color, and because it's metallic, it won't take away from the Christmas look. Okay. Oh, put too much, I don't want to waste, but what you do. So let's start with this lighter gold. I like this corner sponge because it goes into the deep places without messing up the rest of the mold. Before it dries, because acrylic will make a layer on the side and stick to the stencil, we're going to remove it. I have to do it carefully so that I don't smudge. Okay. Alright, so I'll just now let it dry, and then we come with our resin. time to demold our Christmas ornaments for our pets. All right, so we did another stencil. Don't forget to check that one out. And don't forget to see how we personalize them. I'm doing another set that are going to be personalized, so check the card above. If you find this valuable, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other future videos. Especially, I have several of these Christmas ornaments within these next few videos, so don't miss out on that and other future videos. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires, because that's where I show you many variations of the same, like different colors, personalized, what the customers are saying. All right, so let's demold this. Let me remove the blue so that you can see nicely against the white. All right, so let's start with the card. Look at that. Look at our cat and fish. And look at that. I should have done a lighter or a very dark dog one, but for your pet, won't know when this is on the tree. And because it's translucent, I can't wait to show you how it looks in the light. So keep watching so that we put the tag and you see how it would look when it's finished and with some lighting. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on my next video. Barakatele. For this one, I'm thinking to outline this. No, I don't have to. I would like to just outline the edge. Not too much so that it steals this show, but just enough that you can see it. Especially in the light. Yeah, just a little like that, so that you see it's a little more defined. So not too much. I don't think I need to do that on the red because the red is quite bold. But you can see what I mean. Even when it's finished like this, you can add a name, maybe here in the right size. Check the card above on how we personalize ornaments with letters like this, so you can do the stencil. If you don't want the stencil, you can personalize with the name. So check the card above to see how we do that.